NASA just flew a spacecraft directly into a 2 million degree inferno at 394,000 miles per hour and it did not melt. What it just sent back is rewriting the laws of physics. Imagine walking away from a roaring campfire, but the further you walk, the hotter it gets. That is exactly what is happening on the Sun. The surface is a blistering 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, but its outer atmosphere? A staggering 2 million degrees. Scientists around the world are completely baffled. We have now captured impossible magnetic zigzags and rogue plasma structures the size of Earth, hiding in the glare. How is a spacecraft surviving this, and what exactly is lurking inside the Sun's corona? For decades, our understanding of the Sun was based on distant observations. We knew it was a giant nuclear reactor, crushing 600 million tons of hydrogen every single second. Simple enough, right? Heat generates at the core and dissipates as it moves outward. That is standard thermodynamics. But here is where things get strange. When we finally built something capable of touching the Sun, the Parker Solar Probe, the actual data it sent back completely shattered our textbook models. Stay with me here, because what you are about to see changes everything. What I am about to reveal next is exactly why thousands of truth seekers are joining us every single day. If you want to uncover the universe's most closely guarded secrets, hit that follow button. We are uncovering this together. And trust me, the raw footage Parker just captured is going to blow your mind. Let's rewind. Launched in August 2018, the Parker Solar Probe is a technological marvel protected by a 4.5-inch thick carbon composite shield. By late 2021, it officially crossed the Alvain critical surface, the exact boundary where the Sun's atmosphere ends and deep space begins. As it plunged into the corona, its cameras started recording. It didn't just see a smooth flow of solar wind. It saw violent, rogue waves of magnetic energy folding back on themselves in S-shaped kinks. Astrophysicists call them switchbacks. But where were they coming from? The leading theory? Magnetic reconnection. Imagine a massive web of invisible rubber bands twisting and snapping under unimaginable tension. When the Sun's magnetic field lines snap and realign, they release explosive bursts of energy, accelerating particles to near light speed and literally flash-frying the atmosphere to millions of degrees. It is like detonating billions of nuclear bombs in a confined space. This finally explains why the atmosphere is hotter than the surface. But just when scientists thought they had it figured out, the data threw us another curveball. But here is where it gets crazy. New data from Parker's recent flybys revealed that these magnetic switchbacks aren't just random snaps. They are heavily concentrated in specific funnels rooted deep within coronal holes. This ignited a massive debate. One camp of astrophysicists swears these are created by magnetic waves rolling through the plasma. Another camp insists they are microjets, violent geysers erupting directly from the Sun's surface. It is a fierce cosmic standoff, and the data is stubbornly supporting both sides. I genuinely want to know what you think about this. Are we looking at invisible magnetic waves heating the solar system, or is our star constantly firing off explosive microjets that we just couldn't see until now? Or is it something else entirely? A mechanism of plasma physics we haven't even discovered yet? Drop your wildest theories in the comments below. I read every single one, and some of your ideas have been closer to the truth than the leading textbooks. What is your verdict? You might be thinking, why does a hot magnetic wave 100 million miles away matter to me? This affects how we see our place in the universe, and our actual survival. The solar wind that Parker is flying through is the exact same wind that causes geomagnetic storms here on Earth. In 1859, a massive solar flare fried telegraph wires globally. If a similar eruption happened today, it could wipe out our power grids, GPS, and internet for months, a multi-trillion-dollar disaster. Parker isn't just taking pretty pictures, it is gathering the intel we need to shield humanity from a catastrophic cosmic blackout. But do not panic just yet. The science is progressing faster than ever before. Parker is currently using the gravitational pull of Venus to slingshot itself even closer to the solar surface. By December 2024, it will make its closest approach yet, coming within just 3.8 million miles of the Sun's blazing surface. At that proximity, the probe will be moving at 430,000 miles per hour. That is fast enough to travel from New York to Tokyo in under a minute. Coupled with the European Space Agency's solar orbiter and the brand new Daniel K. Inouye Solar Telescope here on Earth, we are entering the absolute golden age of solar astronomy. We are finally peeling back the layers of our host star. Every new orbit brings us one step closer to cracking the coronal heating mystery and predicting solar weather before it strikes. The answers are out there, hiding in the plasma. By the end of this decade, the Sun will no longer be an unpredictable monster, it will be a mapped and understood engine. But this isn't the only impossible mystery in our solar system. Have you heard about the massive, hidden ocean discovered sloshing beneath the icy crust of Jupiter's moon Europa? Or the rogue planets recently detected wandering through deep space without a star, completely in the dark? We are diving into those classified cosmic truths next, and you will not want to miss what the James Webb Space Telescope just spotted out there. Thank you for watching and diving into the unknown with us. Remember, every time you feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, you are feeling the remnants of a 2 million degree mystery that we are just now beginning to solve. The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up.